Ladies and gentlemen, fried chicken lovers, and all you KFC fans out there, get ready for a delicious tale. When it comes to fried food, America has a clear favorite, and it's none other than KFC. The secret to their famous finger-licking good chicken, well, it's locked away in a vault, protected like the crown jewels. But trust me, that secret blend of 11 herbs and spices isn't the only legend in this story. Let's talk about the man behind the magic, Colonel Harland Sanders. And yes, folks, the Colonel was a real guy, not just some mascot in a white suit. Born in 1890, Sanders didn't have it easy. He failed at pretty much everything before striking gold with fried chicken. By the time he was 65, he was broke, living off Social Security, and had only one thing left: his chicken recipe. But did he quit? Nope. The man loaded up his car, hit the road, and started frying chicken for anyone who would taste it. Now, that's what I call perseverance. In 1952, Sanders finally landed his first KFC franchise in Salt Lake City, and from there, the fried chicken craze took off. By the 60s, KFC was popping up everywhere. And let's not forget the Colonel's signature pressure frying technique, that genius method that gives you the perfect combo of crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Today, KFC serves millions in over 150 countries. Talk about a glow up. Now, here's a fun fact. That secret recipe, it's so valuable they split it into 2 parts and store it in different vaults. Yes, KFC treats that recipe like it's Fort Knox. Only a handful of people know the full recipe, and they're sworn to secrecy. No wonder it's been keeping KFC on top of the fried chicken game for generations. But it's not just about the taste. KFC's got quality locked down too. Their chickens come from farms that meet high standards, with no added hormones or steroids. And KFC is working toward using 100% cage-free chickens by 2026 because, hey, happy chickens make tastier drumsticks, right? Farm to fryer, the journey of KFC chicken is a well-oiled, pun intended, machine. The chicken gets inspected, marinated in that legendary spice blend, then hand-breaded using the 7-fold technique for that perfect crispy coating. After that, it's pressure fried to golden perfection, and voila, you've got the world's best fried chicken ready to devour. Colonel Sanders didn't just build a brand, he built an empire. Even after selling KFC in 1964 for $2 million, he remained the face of the brand, showing up in commercials and keeping the spirit of KFC alive. Today, KFC is part of the Yum Brands family and is still serving up smiles and fried chicken to millions. So the next time you dive into that bucket of crispy, mouth-watering goodness, remember, you're not just eating a meal, you're tasting history. Colonel Sanders' journey from rags to riches is the stuff of legends, and every bite of KFC chicken is a tribute to his relentless spirit. Now, if that's not a reason to grab a drumstick, I don't know what is. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tasty stories coming your way.